Azmi for an honorary doctorate. A visionary Sufi leader, spiritual healer, and prophetic author. His contributions to spirituality, healing, and services have impacted lives worldwide. He pioneered healing techniques such as Murakaba meditation, color therapy, and telepathy. Have authored over 50 transformative books on spirituality. Founder of Azimi Centers, he has fostered peace, unity, and volunteerism globally. Through mentorship, his initiatives, and spiritual education, his enduring legacy continues to inspire millions. This honorary doctorate would definitely recognize his exceptional services to the humanity. I'm pleased to welcome Mr. Khwaja Shamsuddin Azimi.